Welcome to ECON 2022. In this video, I will discuss arithmetic operators in R. First, we discuss the addition. So, how about addition? We look at one example. Find 2 plus 3. So how can we do in R? So open a new file, save this file, name arithmetic operators. Two plus 3. We can run it. So we have a result 5 here. So we can write down 2 plus 3. Okay, next we see the subtraction. Look at one example. Find 2 minus 3. So how can we do in R? We can type 2 plus 3. We have a result -1. So we can type it here for your notes. 2 minus 3. Okay. And next, we're talking about multiplication. So we can see here. We see one example. Find 2 times 3. So how about in R? You can type it here, 2 times 3. We have a result 6. So we can find a result. And next, we discuss the division. We consider the 2 divided by 3. Okay, so maybe we can type it here. 2 divided by 3, you know, is approximate to 0.667. So in R, we can find the quotient and remainder. How can we find a quotient? Okay, so here is a division. We can type a dividend over divisor. So division is here. How can we find the quotient? So we know this result is equal to 0. The quotient is 0, and the remainder is 2, because we know 0 times 2, because 0 times 2 times 3 plus 2 equal to 2. Okay, so this is a quotient. It's called remainder. This is a divisor. 2 is a dividend. how can we find a quotient? 2 plus 3. We use the person sign and this sign, so we can have a quotient. How about remainder? We can find 2, double the person sign. We can find the remainder is 2. Okay, so this is for division. Okay, and next we want to find the square root. How about find the square root of 2? Okay, so we know the result is approximate to 1.7414. Okay, so what can we do in R? We can type a SQRT, input 2, to find the result 1.414. So we can find this result here. And next, how about the absolute value? So we find the absolute value of the -2 or -2. Okay, so we can type it here, ABS, and input a 2. We can find the result is 2. Okay, so that's all for this topic.